Hello everyone, welcome to the Fun Know. Today's topic is going to be BODMAS. So, what is BODMAS? BODMAS is an acronym which stands for brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. To understand BODMAS, we first need to know what is the order of operations. The order of operations is a collection of rules which are followed while solving an expression. So to remember those rules, we use this keyword called BODMAS. So in expressions, we have numbers and operators are placed between the numbers. So we know what type of operations need to be performed on those numbers. So what does BODMAS stand for? BODMAS stand for bracket, order, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So BODMAS and PEMDAS. Here, some countries use BODMAS while some countries might use PEMDAS. So here the keyword or the acronym can be different, but the order of operations is always the same. Brackets is the same as parentheses. Order is the same as exponents. And here division and multiplication are swapped. You can see here division comes first and multiplication comes first in PEMDAS. So here, because division and multiplication both have the same precedence, after that addition and subtraction. So why do we even need the order of operations? Can't we just solve the expressions left to right like we always do? Here 6 plus 2 we get 8, 6 minus 2 we get 4. The answer is right. So why do we need it? Because the problem arises when we have more than one operator. Here there is only one operator, so solving it is not difficult. What if there are more than one operator? So here you can see the expression is same, 2 plus 2 multiplied by 3, same expression is given, but the answer is different. In first you have 12 and here you have 8, because the answer changes by the way you solved it. Here the addition operator was solved first. Here you can see 2 plus 2 was done first and then 3 multiplied by 3 you got 12. Here the multiplication was performed first and then the addition was done. So here the BODMAS rule was followed, while here the BODMAS rule was not followed. So here you can see there is no consistency. If we don't use a set of rules to solve equations, everyone would get different answers. So what should be the order of solving an expression? BODMAS, brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Now let's solve some expressions. So let's start with the first one. 4 plus 4 multiplied by 4 divided by 4 minus 4. So in this expressions there are 4 operations: plus, multiplication, division, and minus. So which should be done first? So according to the BODMAS rule, first we need to solve the brackets, then order, and then division. But in this expression there is no brackets and there are no orders. So we first start with the division. Then we move to the multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. So let's start solving the problem. So now you can see 4 divided by 4 gives you 1. So once the division is done, we move to multiplication. 4 multiplied by 1 gives you 4. So now multiplication is done. Now you move ahead to addition. So 4 plus 4 gives you 8. And now only one minus, like subtraction sign, is remaining. So 8 minus 4 gives you 4. So let's start with the second one. 4 multiplied by 4. And now you can see 5 plus 4 is given in brackets, but there is no sign in between. So if there is no sign between this, you just assume that this is a multiplication. Divided by 4 minus 10. So let's solve this. So according to the BODMAS rule, first we need to solve the bracket. So 5 plus 4 will give us 9. So now it's still in the bracket. So first we multiply this with this number. So 4 multiplied by 9 gives you 36. So now you can see division. Now brackets are gone. So you can start with division now because there are no order here. So first we do the division now. The 36 divided by 4 gives you 9. So now we move ahead to multiplication. So 4 multiplied by 9 gives you 36. Now 36, there is no addition, so we move ahead and now there is subtraction. So 36 minus 10 gives you 26. So here's another example, but this time you should try solving it. Pause the video and try to solve this expression. And we are back. So let's try solving this. 4, and in parentheses, in brackets, there is 9 multiplied by 4, and in parentheses there is 5 plus 4. So you can see first the brackets need to be solved. So even if there is multiplication inside the brackets, still the brackets need to be solved first. So you can see 9 multiplied by 4 gives you 36, 5 plus 4 gives you 9. So once the bracket is solved, here you get 144. How did we get this? We multiplied 4 with 36 and we got 144, and we multiplied 8 with 9 and we got 72. Now the rest of the equation is the same. Now what do? We go to division first because plus and minus come after division. So we first divide 72 by 2, we get 36. Now 2 signs remain. So 144 plus 36 gives you 180. Then finally you use the subtraction and you get the final answer as 172. So did you get this answer right? Okay. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.